Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you guys how to easily fix low volume problem on POCO M7 Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is check the volume settings. So go ahead and unlock your phone. Now check if the media is turned up. Here, as you guys can see, make sure that it's set to volume boost and it's at 300%. Now, if it still didn't help you, then you can try and enable the high volume mode. So it's the 300%, make sure that it's not lower. Make sure that it's set to 300%, it's a volume boost. Now you can also try and check the audio output settings. So if you have anything like Bluetooth headphones or wired accessory connected to your phone, then the sound might be routing the sound to them instead of the normal speaker. Now you guys can check for obstructions or dirt in the speaker. You can clean the speaker by using a soft brush or compressed air. I personally use the second one. And everything like dust, lint or dirt, debris can block the speaker grill, causing low or muffled sound. So try and clean it up carefully. Now you guys can try and test different audio sources like different apps, Spotify, YouTube or any music player to see if the low volume is present across all apps or maybe just one. So if it's only happening in one app, then try restarting the app or reinstalling it. But if it's happening in every single app, then stay with me. You guys can try to use the do not disturb mode. You can try and either enable it or disable it to check out your volume. Now, if it didn't help you, then go over to the settings and go to About Phone. Here, click on Xiaomi HyperOS. And now check for eventually the software updates. So outdated software can cause glitches that affect the audio performance, and it could also include the volume issues. So make sure that your phone is updated at all times and you're running the latest version of your firmware. Now, if this didn't help you, then what you guys can try is check for Bluetooth or wired headphone interference. So if your phone is connected to Bluetooth headphones or speakers, it could be causing low volume output, and it can route the sound to the phone and to the Bluetooth device at the same time. So make sure to turn off Bluetooth in the settings or the control center here. And if you're using wired headphones, then try testing the phone's speakers without them, because sometimes loose connection or a broken wire can result in a low volume. Now, if you've tried all of those steps I've told you and the volume is still low, then you can try and do a factory reset. But first, back up your data, as this will erase everything from the device. So go over to the settings. Now go to About Phone and scroll a bit down until you guys see Backup and Restart. Here you guys can create the local backup, the cloud backup for Xiaomi, and the Google backup. Me personally, I use the local and the Google backup. I've never used the Xiaomi cloud, so I cannot say anything about it. But after you did your backup, go and click the factory reset. Now click erase all data, enter your password if you have one, and then click factory reset right here. And if you've tried everything, including the factory reset, then you should try and visit POCO support or visit the authorized service center for a hardware check if the issue is still here. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.